Good morning, all of you. So now in this class we discuss about negative of a number. In the previous class we discussed the various property of the rational number. So in this class we discuss about negative of a number. What do you mean by negative of a number? So if a is a number, then its negative number is minus a and vice versa. That means if a number is minus a, then its negative is plus a. So it is also been known as a additive inverse. Okay. So let an example. So if 3 is a number, then its additive inverse or negative is minus 3. So if a number is minus 7, its additive inverse is plus 7. Plus 7 or only 7. Okay. If a number is 15, then its additive inverse or negative number is minus 15. Okay, so this is the negative of a number. If a number is a by b, that is in the form of p by q or a rational number. So its negative number is minus a by b. Okay, if a number is minus a by minus b. Okay, if a number is minus a by minus b. For example, a number is minus 7 by minus 15. What is the negative of that number? So you know that minus minus cancel. So it is equal to 7 by 15. So negative of 7 by 15 is equal to minus 7 by 15. So this is known as a negative of a number or additive inverse. When we add a number with this additive inverse, we get 0 as a result. That means if a number is a, then we add this negative or additive inverse. That means we add minus a, so we get 0. Okay. For example, let 3 is a number and then its additive inverse or negative is minus 3. So when you add 3 plus minus 3, we get 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Similarly, if a number is minus 2 by 8, its additive inverse is plus 2 by 8. So when you add minus 2 by 8 plus 2 by 8 equal to 8 minus 2 plus 2 equal to 0. So when we add a number with its additive inverse, then we get 0 as a result. So this is the negative of the number. Then after that we discuss about reciprocal of a number. Okay. This is all about negative of a number. Now we discuss about reciprocal. Reciprocal of a number or is known as a multiplicative inverse. Okay, so if a is a number, then its reciprocal is 1 by a. Okay, let an example. If minus 5 is a number, so its reciprocal is 1 by minus 5. Okay, if a number is 3, its reciprocal is 1 by 3. Okay, so if in the case of a rational number, if a number is p by q, its reciprocal is just opposite q by p. How this is possible? So if p by q, so its reciprocal is 1 by p by q, that means q by p. Okay, so if a number is p by q, its reciprocal is q by p, or if a number is a, its reciprocal is 1 by a. Let an example. If 5 by 9 is a number, a rational number, so its reciprocal is 9 by 5. So there is no sign change in the case of a reciprocal. That means the reciprocal of a negative number also be negative, and reciprocal of a positive number also be positive. In the case of minus 7 by 13, the reciprocal of a minus 7 by 13 is the reverse minus 13 by 7. So this is the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. So when we show the conclusion, so if a number is a, so its reciprocal is 1 by a. So when we multiply a number with its multiplicative inverse or reciprocal, so what do we find? So a, then the number is a and its reciprocal is 1 by a. So when we multiply a number with its reciprocal, so this is cancelled, you get 1 as a result. So when we multiply a number with its reciprocal, they will find 1 as a result. So then the previous session we discussed that when we add a number with its additive inverse, so we get 0. So here when we multiply a number with its reciprocal or multiplicative inverse, we get 1 as a result. Okay. So this is all about reciprocal of a number. Then we discuss an important property, that is distributive property. Okay. So now distributive property. So what do you mean by distributive property? So distributive property is A and B and C any number. So according to distributive, there are two types. That means distributive property of multiplication over addition, distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. That means first one, distributive property, the property over addition. So what do you mean by distributive property over addition? That means if A, B and C are any number, so according to distributive property over addition, so A into B plus C, the B plus C in the bracket is equal to A plus A into B plus A into C. So this is the distributive property over addition. Then the second property, distributive property over subtraction. So what is the distributive property over subtraction? If A, B and C are three numbers, then according to distributive property over subtraction is A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. Okay, this is the distributive property over addition and this is the distributive property over subtraction. The distributive property means you split a multiplication into two parts. Because multiplication is split breakdown data part data multiplication over subtraction or over multiplication. It multiplication is total जो गोल multiplication को data part के breakdown multiplication addition. ये total multiplication को data part के breakdown multiplication subtraction. Okay, so this is all about distributive property over addition and subtraction. तुम देखियो group को group the distributive property over addition तुम जे कौन सा नंबर देखिता मैं कौन बारे देखो. Okay, write down. So the question is prove that distributive property over addition. Prove by taking some example. Prove the distributive property over addition. So तीन टाइम example नवा में let A equal to 1 by 2, B equal to 2 by 3, C equal to 3 by 4. Okay. So I will go to distributive property over addition. So according to distributive property over addition, A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. Okay. So we will analyze. So A into that means 1 by 2 into B plus C. That is 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. 1 by 2. So here the answer is 12. So we will 12 divided 4, 8 plus 6, 9. So is equal to 1 by 2 into 8 is 17 by 12 is equal to 17 by 24. So in the case of RHS, to find that A into B plus A into C, that means A is 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. So you get the 2 by 6 plus is it 3 by 8. So you get तो 6 into LCM how get 24. So 24 divided by 6 is 4 into 2 48 plus 24 divided by 83 and into 3 9 is equal to 17 by 24. So here you get 70 by 24 in the LHS, and here also you get 70 by 24 in RHS. So LHS equal to RHS, that means A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. That proves distributive property over addition. Okay. Similarly, you prove by taking examples distributive property over subtraction. It's not only plus minus similar. Okay. So this is all about your theory of a first exercise. Now discuss about the first exercise you do in your copy. Okay. All of right. Then and this. So the first exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1. This is the NCERT book exercise 1.1. So first one is number 1 I will only do the long type question, you do all the short type question in your copy. So using appropriate property, find the value of this. So first one is minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. So see, there is 3 terms. The first term, second term, and the third term. You count the term from the addition and subtraction. So this is the first term, second term, and third term. So it is using property. So you see that in the first term and the third term, you find a common things. That's 3 by 5 and 3 by 5. So you write minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5. So you put the third term near the first term is equal to minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. Then write the second term 5 by 2. Then you take 3 by 5 as common. So 3 by 5 then is equal to minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6 then plus 5 by 2. So this is 3 by 5. So you take 6 as common. So it is minus 4, this is minus 1 plus 5 by 2. This is equal to 3 by 5. This is minus 5 by 6 plus 5 by 2. Then this is equal to 3 by 5 into minus 5 by 6. Minus 5 by 6 plus 5 by 2. Okay. देखो 5 cancel. So in the upper you get minus 3 by 6 plus 5 by 2. So 3 2s are 6. So you get minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. So you get 2 minus 1 plus 5 4 by 2. Equal 2. So you get answer 2. Okay. This is the number one first bit of one number. In the second number also The second number is for you. You do in your copy. Similar question. The second number पूरा same similar अच्छी तो मैं समझ कर दो. Okay. The second number is 2/5. When against the solution कर दो. 2/5 into minus 3/7 minus 1/6 into 3/2 plus 1/14 into 2/5. So see, there is also be 2 or 3 term, the first term, second term, and the third term. And as you see that between first and third term there is a common 2/5 and 2/5. You take 2/5 as common, then do the question answer. Okay, this is for you. The second question: write the additive inverse of each of the following. The second question is write additive inverse or negative of a number. That means if a is a number, then its negative number is minus a, or if a number is minus a, its negative is plus a. So for example, the first one is 2/8. So what is the negative or additive inverse of 2/8? It is equal to minus 2/8. Then minus 5/9. 5/9. Okay. So this is all for you. Then there is the third bit. So this is all about 2 numbers. Then you do 3 numbers in home. Then the 4th number is the multiplicative inverse of following. Multiplicative inverse, you know that if a is a number, then its multiplicative number is 1/a. There is no change in sign. So the first one is minus 13. So negative of multiplicative inverse of minus 13 is 1/-13. So in this way you do the 4th number. The 5th number, write down the property. Which property used in this case? You write the property. Then 6th number, multiply 6/13. Multiply 6/13 by the reciprocal of minus 7/16. So multiply this with the reciprocal of this. So reciprocal of this is 16/-7. So multiply this into this. Okay. Then take the property allowed here. Which property is allowed here? This is associative property. Then 8th number is 8/9 is multiplicative inverse of minus whole of 1/8. So see 8/9 is multiplicative inverse of minus 1 whole 1/8. So you see that minus whole 1/8 is 8 1 8 minus 9/8. Okay, this is the minus 9/8. So here the 8/9, here minus 9/8. Okay, so you know that there is no sign change during the multiplicative inverse. Find the multiplicative inverse रे कोई sign change हुए नहीं. बोले कि कोई sign change नहीं चाहिए तो इधर multiplicative inverse नहीं. So 9 number, 10 number, and 11 number. You do all the exercise in your copy and send me with my number, personal number. Okay. So this is all about the first chapter. If any doubt in the next class, we take a online class. If any doubt, you ask me in the online class. Okay. Thank you.